Our broilers are 18 days old today, so in this farm diary session, I'm going to be sharing with you the activities we do here in our farm on the 18th day. Probably you might learn one or two things you can apply in your farm, and the video is starting right now. I want to give a special viewer shout out to Prof Amelia for leaving a comment in one of our previous videos. The comment actually is an encouraging one, encouraging us to continue what we are doing and also sharing that you soon be joining us in the poultry industry. Anytime you are ready, we just slide into our DM if you need any advice, and we will happily advise you. So Prof Amelia, this shout out goes to you. On the 18th day, the first thing we do upon entering into the poultry house is to check on the temperature of the brooding room. Although the temperature is no longer really that important at this point in time, because the birds can now regulate and control their body temperature. So the next thing we do is to discard the previous day's water containing just iodine solution. Now on the 18th day, we are still meant to place these birds on antibiotics, but if you've been following this series and you can recall what happened on the 10th day, we placed them on antibiotics for 5 days, from the 10th day to the 14th day. So giving them another antibiotic on the 18th day will be overwhelming on them, because we had the issue that we handled, which made us to deviate from our normal medication schedule. I will be sharing the normal medication schedule in the description of this video, so you can download it and then pass it on to your poultry veterinarian to verify, make his adjustments before you can use it in your farm. So after discarding the previous day's water, we replace the water with just iodine solution, as in water containing iodine solution. The next thing we did was to remove the wood shavings on the floor, because at this point the previous one that they started with from day one has been messed up with feces, and there were a few drops of water. So to avoid the unknown, the best thing at this point was to remove it. Although removal of the wood shaving has no specific day to do it, it's just common sense. When you see that the wood shaving has been messed up by either feces or water, it's best to remove it. After that, the next thing we did was to serve them the food, and then did the normal routine activities of the day, which involved coming into the poultry house, say a maximum of every 2 hours to check on the birds, and then know where to make few adjustments like adding feed and other things. That's basically what we did on the 18th day. How do you raise your broilers on the 18th day? Please feel free to share with us in the comment section. If you have any question, also drop it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then see you on the 19th day.